Thank you for joining me today on how to perform the barbell curl. There are several hand positions on the bar that you can use to stimulate and activate different parts of the bicep muscle. Stand erect and hold the barbell at waist level with a shoulder width underhand grip, also referred to as the neutral grip. Keeping the elbows at the sides, curl the barbell to the chin. Pause briefly and slowly lower the barbell to the starting position. Things to keep in mind. Make sure you don't lean backwards or move your elbows away from the sides. Variations of the arm curl include standing and seated dumbbell curls and seated preacher bench curls. All of your movements should be controlled. No throwing or slinging the weights around. Not only does this not stimulate the muscles optimally, it could also cause an injury, and that's the last thing you want, is to have to take time off to heal. Now your breathing should also be natural and controlled. I like to take a deep breath right before I start the curl motion, also called the concentric phase or shortening of the muscle. And then I breathe out as I lower the weight, which is known as the eccentric phase or lengthening of the muscle. All in all, this is one of the most effective exercises for developing the arms. Take your time with it, and don't start out with a weight that is too heavy to control and not so light that you could do 20 reps with ease. Thank you for joining me today, and if you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel and hit that little notification bell so that you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thank you very much, guys. Have a great day.